Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something truly amazing to talk about. If you're into crafting, preserving the beauty of nature, or simply looking for a fantastic winter project, you're in for a treat. We'll be reviewing the Microfloor Microwave Flower Press, which is hands down the best winter footprint crafts tool available in the market. Now, you might be wondering what this is. The Microfloor Microwave Flower Press is an innovative tool that allows you to quickly and effectively press and dry flowers and leaves, preserving their beauty and vibrant colors for various crafting projects. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner, this product is a game changer. Let's talk about some key features that make the Microfloor press stand out. Unlike traditional flower pressing methods that can take weeks, the Microfloor press allows you to press flowers in just minutes. Perfect for those of us who love instant gratification. Say goodbye to browned flowers. With the Microfloor, you'll retain the vibrant colors of your pressed flowers, making them ideal for various creative projects. This press isn't just for flower enthusiasts. It's also commonly used by artists, jewelry makers, scrapbookers, and more. You can use pressed flowers for greeting cards, invitations, bookmarks, candles, and other crafts. The Microfloor's design helps release moisture from flowers and leaves, ensuring they press and dry quickly without losing their shape or color. Made in the USA from durable materials, this press is 100% reusable for hundreds of pressings with proper care. No need to constantly replace papers or layers. Using the Microfloor is simple. Here are the basic steps. Place fresh flowers or leaves between two cotton liners inside the Microfloor. Make sure they don't touch to prevent sticking. Follow the instructions in the booklet for drying times, typically in short bursts. The microwave method is quick and effective. Wipe off any moisture from the plastic panels and carefully open the press to check the flowers. If they're still sticky, they need more time in the microwave. Once your flowers are dry, you can use them for various projects. Let your creativity flow. Now, you might be wondering how the Microfloor compares to other flower presses. The Microfloor Max model, which we have here, offers a generous 9 inches by 9 inches pressing space, perfect for larger flowers or multiple items at once. The Microfloor is known for its quality construction, ensuring great results. It's one of the fastest ways to press flowers for same-day use. In conclusion, the Microfloor Microwave Flower Press is a fantastic tool for anyone interested in preserving the beauty of flowers and leaves for crafting. While it may have a learning curve, the results are well worth it. If you're looking to add a unique touch to your winter footprint crafts, this product is a must-have. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for joining us at Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.